Doesn't a chocolate dessert scream comfort? All you need is a chocolate cake, pre-baked earlier or bought ready-made from the store. We slice it up to make our layers. Now we're going to add chocolate buttercream, a generous serving of that spread over our cake. And the next layer goes on top, and repeat, and repeat. And now we're going to cover the entire outside of the cake with this delicious chocolate buttercream, smoothing it over, adding a few broken almonds around the edge. Now we're going to squeeze some Nutella through a piping bag all around the edge of our cake, letting it drip down the sides on purpose. Now we're going to cover the entire top of our cake with Nutella. I hope you are Nutella crazy like I am. Smoothing it over, making a nice swirly pattern with a spoon, and exaggerating those drips down the side. There's a reason for this, which you'll find out in a minute. We want it to look like it's dripping and overflowing. Now we're going to add our Nutella jar, coated in almonds, and some Ferrero Rocher. Look at that, it's a work of art. Too good to eat. It literally looks like the Nutella is falling out of the jar in a Nutella waterfall. Go on then, just a slice. Let's enter chocolate heaven. Delicious. Now, for our next recipe, we get the same chocolate cake, slicing it into layers. This time, in between each layer, we're going to add chocolate ganache. You can buy it ready-made again, or pre-make it yourself earlier. It's pretty simple, only requires a few ingredients. We're going to spread that over our cake, smoothing it out with a spatula and adding our next layer on top. And repeat. We're going to just smooth it around the outside. And finally, cover the top of our cake in chocolate ganache. So loads and loads of chocolate in both of these recipes, so I hope you like it. It takes a little bit of time to do this part, but it is worth it because it's going to be delicious when it's finished. Smoothing that over, we're adding our chocolate wafers all the way around the outside. They'll stick to the ganache, and chocolate balls, you can use Maltesers if you like, on the top of our cake. Look at that, sliced to perfection.